Welcome back to the Art of Android Hacking series. In today's video, we'll take a closer look at Android app architecture and its security model. Before diving into actual hacking, it's crucial to understand how Android apps are built and how security is enforced on platform. Android apps are made of several key components, each playing a specific role in the app's functionality. These include activities. These represent a single screen with a user interface, like a login screen or homepage. Services. Services run in the background without a user interface, such as playing music or fetching data from a server. Broadcast receivers. These components listen for system-wide broadcast announcements like low battery notification or Wi-Fi state changes. Content providers. These allow apps to share data with other apps, which can become a vulnerability if not properly secured. When you are pen testing an app, you will need to test each of these components for potential vulnerabilities. For example, activities might leak sensitive data in log files. Next up, let's talk about Android security model. Android uses a few core principles to secure apps and protect user data. These include sandboxing. Every app on Android runs in its own sandbox, meaning it's isolated from other apps and the system. This helps prevent one app from accessing another app's data. Permissions. Android requires apps to explicitly request permission to access sensitive data or system features like the camera, contacts, or location. App signing. Every app must be signed with a digital certificate before it's installed. This ensures that the app hasn't been tampered with and can be trusted by the system. While these features offer some protection, they are not foolproof. Misconfiguration or oversights by developer can still leave apps vulnerable to attack. Let's look at a real-world example. Insecure content providers. If a developer doesn't properly secure a content provider, it can expose sensitive data to other apps on the device. In the next video, we will dive into static analysis of APK files. I'll show you how to decompile an APK, inspect its code, and find sensitive data or vulnerabilities hidden inside. Make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss it. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram. See you in the next episode.